All right, they say they got a hole in the roof here. Kind of some evidence. Let's see what this is. Ah, I see it. Split, the roof is split. Taking on water. All right, let's fix it. Show you that too. Also, there's a hole in the floor here. We'll just put some caulking in it so that no one sees daylight. Somebody's done something to it before. I'll just put caulking in it. I also noticed this, where is it at? That one there, see? Jacked up. All right, let me try to show you guys this, how to do this. I'm gonna have to do a lot of it off camera because I lost my tripod. Broke it. I'm gonna drill these out on this edge here. All of these to this one. Right here. That way I can wrap new roof around it. I'll show you guys. Alright, see how it's between these two rivets here? We'll mark the same here. Right in the middle. And we need about this much. There she is. Let's get it up. Alright, if you crimp this down a little bit, very little, you can see where the edge of the roof is. Then you can match your rivets here to here. Or you can find the old holes and go through, but they're probably a little wallered out. So we'll make new ones. Keep up with all your nails. Oh, and one more thing, ask in the office if they allow pop rivets, because a lot of places are buck rivets only, and that's mostly like rental companies and stuff. So make sure about that. Keep up with your nails too, because you don't want a flat tire. Give yourself one. All right, hang on. Let me get the rest of these drilled out and popped in. I'll show you what to do. This part's gonna be tricky. Without a tripod. Take some vice grips if you need to, and pinch this in better. Oh, I put some caulking around that crack too. And I'm gonna caulk the outside. And the rivet heads. No one's gonna be looking up here. Make sure it's right, not wet. I'm not gonna fix the hinge today. Driver needs this trailer ASAP. So I'll caulk that floor up, get that hinge another day. You get the idea here. Let me go show you the inside when I get this done. All right, there we go. It's hot enough up here. You cook an egg on this roof right now. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get this hole in the floor real quick. The hinge is good to go for now. I'll fix it when he gets back. Or they call me back. This isn't that big a deal right here, but some companies won't load if there's any daylight. Tell them to try to avoid this spot today. How about that? Not good as new. Good enough. Once again, you guys, thanks for coming to my channel and watching me do some crazy stuff. This guy can go home. I'll let him know for sure again. I'll probably even give him a hammer. I might hit it around with a hammer real quick while I got time. Let's see. Put a nut on that real quick. Blood on your tripod. I think you get the gist. You get this thing done. Sorry. Alright, I cannot watch this camera and do this. Alright, I got it. So I tightened them all up. They're all loose. When he gets back, I'll go through the center hinges and hit him with a punch. A ping. That's what the name of it is, it's a ping. All of these need tightened up, especially that one there. We'll get them all though when he gets back. I'm gonna fix this for you, Bruce. $1,000.
All they do is go in there and twist.
Be $1,000. You got it?
Put on the video, I charge $1,000 to do this.
You just did.